actually going to the airport now as we speak, like 8 hours earlier than our flight takes off, but just worried it was gonna snow again. And we're off today to Arizona. I have no idea, no plans, no nothing. Nothing all planned out, baby. How do you feel about that? Nothing planned whatsoever, but we got a rental car, we got a place to stay, and it's gonna be exciting. I told you, like, we'll figure it out when we get there.
Yep.
And
well, we made a list. We made a list of some things that we wanted to go and like look at. We sat and went through the ticket to talk and
so
wrote down a list. I have the list.
Well, yeah. So see you guys at the airport. So we finally got our rental car place. We're here, and hopefully we can secure a rental car because I booked it for the next day. So we could have swung back or pay a little bit extra. Pay a little extra and get it now, so that way we don't have to go and come back here tomorrow. So yeah, we just go and do that. But
that what the wiper up?
yeah.
Something wrong with it. Somebody locked the key inside.
Oh. But any of these ones?
Because that's fine.
Okay, so I'll take the Hyundai then.
Yeah, go ahead. The key should be inside.
Thank you, Fung. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
We got something way better than I paid for.
They didn't like check the car for any damages, like nothing.
Nothing. Fuck it.
Okay.
All right. Stick it in the back here or something like that. Made it to Crown Plaza. This is where reservations and where I booked us. But what a pain in the butt to try to go and find like parking spots. Holy moly, and like getting the car itself and everything. But it all worked out. Number 3, I think. This is 333.
Okay.
How do you feel? It's finally.
The next day.
So today we're gonna go to Sedona. We don't know what's open today because today's Christmas Day. And so we need to save Scottsdale for another time.
Yep.
This is gonna be super fun. Yeah, it's gonna be a blast. Oh, it is kind of chilly, but not that. Oh, look how. I need a photo of this. Gotta see my new car, our rented car. Dennis? Dennis? Is there markings on Dennis? Because, you know, I don't want to pay any more money. What is that? What are these marks?
No, they were there last night.
Okay.
They were there last night.
This is Dennis. There's a mark right here.
I know, there's a bunch of marks all over the car.
Anyways, I'm calling him Dennis.
Dennis.
Oh, yeah. Our lovely stallion for today. Going to Sedona, and the drive in itself has been like super exciting.
I liked that we stopped in like all the little towns. Like what was it, Bird? Is that Bird City?
Verde, yeah, Verde Village.
Village. And
Cottonwood.
Cottonwood. And
Cottonwood something.
yeah. Because you initially go in and all you see is the Walmart. And then we went and we looked at all those houses and then kind of went through. We ended up in like the actual main street of the village, but it had like a Starbucks and it had like KFC and a Dunkin' Donuts. There was a CrossFit gym. It's kind of cool.
It was cool. It is cool. I just enjoy like looking at like these little small towns and seeing the locals and how do they live. Like I said, like Arizona is mostly all deserts, and I'm always curious like how do people live out here in such an isolated area. But it turns out it's actually not that isolated, because like we saw an Amazon truck.
Yeah.
Brittany saw an Amazon truck that was fine, and yeah, but so good. It's been worth the trip so far. Even just this drive is nice. It's nice and relaxing.
Oh, this drive's been great.
See you in Sedona. National park. I think one that's actually like open, and so it's like a peaceful Buddhist national park, I think, in Sedona. And look at this. It's beautiful. Wow. This is fun. Oh, sorry. Okay. Thank you. So This is an awesome hike, actually. I think this is something I would do every time we come to Sedona.
Yeah.
This place is like really gorgeous. The views are just amazing. This is like a Buddhist like peace national park-ish. It's kind of hard because like everything is like closed on Christmas Day, so it's been like a struggle to find a place to even like eat and sit and chill and relax. But hey, it is what it is.
This is like one of the only hiking spots open on Christmas Day.
And we signed up for this. We knew this was something. These things were gonna happen.
Yeah.
I just wanted to get out of the snow and enjoy some nice,
like beautiful temperatures too.
Yeah. But this has been super fun, super enlightening, kind of. I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm gonna go back down. It's like full of amazing stuff. But then I just literally pulled over to a random spot, and then we just found ourselves here. There's saddles.
Oh my gosh.
Don't touch it. Chilling here. What is this?
These are like rugs.
Oh, I see.
Placemats.
Oh.
Pillows. These are for pillows.
Pretty. We just finished eating dinner, basically. Supper.
Yeah.
I don't know how. But anyways, we are heading back to Phoenix, Arizona. Spend the day in Sedona. I kind of regret not buying like a souvenir. I don't know when we're ever gonna be back, but even like a little hat.
Yeah.
But
It was super cool.
we will be back. A day trip over here was nice. I think a little bit more hiking spots.
Yeah.
We spent a little extra time over at the, little hiking spot with the Buddhist.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, so we are heading back. I will see you guys back at the hotel.